Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am partnering with Seranova Beauty and I'm bringing you one of the best at-home skincare treatment. I'm sure you've seen that sort of system popping up a little bit on your social media. This is a microneedling infusion kit. So I've obviously tested it onto myself before I'm doing this review with you guys. It is an anti-aging solution. So what it does, it's basically boosting the collagen, reducing the appearance of fine lines. It's really going deeply into your skin to hydrate your skin. And it's honestly working so well. So I'm going to show you the product. So it comes in a box like this. So in this box you have a supply for 3 months and you use the product every 2 weeks. So you use it at night. You need to make sure that your skin is clean and dry. You don't apply any other product. If you were to do this sort of treatment with your dermatologist or your esthetician, because you can do those treatments in clinic, but it's roughly about $300 for one session. I think this is a beautiful option for you to do at home. It's painless. I would say do not use right after. You can use your moisturizer, but don't use any harsh products. So no acid, no retinol, no tretinoid, nothing that is too harsh on your skin for at least, I would say 48 hours, because your skin will be a little bit more sensitive. So in the box, you have your supplies here. The small box is the peptide infusion serum that you will add in the device itself. It does look like this. And in the device, the micro infusion device, the top is little needles that will go and really create small little channel onto your face. So basically, once you've dried your face, you're going to press the device onto your skin. There's a spring mechanism into it, and the product will penetrate much more deeply into your skin. That's why it is so effective. So you're going to stamp your face basically all over, and you have to overlap and go over 2-3 times in the areas. It's going to help to reduce the fine lines. If you have any of this serum left, I had some left, so I've just literally applied it onto my face and onto my neck, because it's a good serum that you can apply on the rest of your face anyway, and you gotta let it absorb by your skin. And I would say avoid sun exposure the next day as much as possible, and no makeup for 24 hours, because you really want the product to be, because you are creating mini holes basically onto your skin, so the product can really penetrate super deeply. And you can apply then your moisturizer, your serum, that's fine, but just nothing too harsh. It is a product that is completely fragrance free, it's cruelty free, and it's BHA free and paraben free. So I would say the level of pain, obviously they are little needles, 24 karat gold plated micro little needles. It doesn't really hurt, like you feel like a little prick, like a little pinching sensation, but it's not like it's hurting. So I did it on my skin twice, so for a month. I can't believe how fast the results are. The next morning my face was glowing, like it just giving me the most beautiful natural glow. You know, when you go for an hydrofacial and you obviously they use a lot of product, they clean your skin super deep. The next day you have that glow. Well, you're going to have that same glow. I am not joking. And even the subsequent days, you really do have a glowing face. It does improve as well the dark spots. So it helps to reduce the appearance of the dark spots. It's not a medical device. Like this is still just, it's a cosmetic device. What you can expect from the serum and using a product like this, as you're using the product, you will see your wrinkle decreasing and the fine line as well. Your skin will look so much more plump and glowy. It is honestly, like that's for me, that the next day, that's what I could see right away. Like obviously you're not gonna have wrinkles that disappears overnight. It's not Botox, it's not an injection, but your skin will look and feel hydrated and plump. In the serum itself, the ingredients that you have collagen peptide, you have hyaluronic acid, you have bitter orange flower oil, and you have glycerin. So all of these will help to bring moisturizer, hydrate your skin. The orange will help to brighten your skin tone and even out your skin tone. That's super, super important. And it helps as well because it contains antioxidant. It soothes and calm your skin if it's irritated. And the glycerin will help to protect your skin against the dryness and irritation as well. So all the goodness packed, a serum super packed that you really just put deeply, deeply into your skin. And I like this one because you can actually use it on the mouth area. It's not painful, it's not gonna hurt, it's not gonna cause any damage. I haven't been completely onto my lips, but on the very outer line on the lip, on the marionette lines here on the side, it has really helped because for me that's where I have a little bit more of the fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes. The formula has been formulated by expert and dermatologists. Doctors are behind this product, so doctor, dermatologists, and scientists are behind this formula, so you can be sure that it is safe to use. The thing with this product, it's not necessarily just for women, it's for men as well. Anyone who wants to improve the look and feel of their skin, boost hydration, reduce wrinkle, reduce the appearance of fine lines, this is amazing to be done in the comfort of your home. And you can also have a subscription with this. So let's say you go for this product that is good for, this is a supply of 3 months. You would have a subscription for another 3 months where it's delivered to your doorstep. I only have good things to say about this product. I have been extremely surprised on how the treatment is smooth, super easy to use. You really just put the serum into the device, you flip it over, you wait 2 minutes so the serum goes into the chamber. And I pressed it against my hand to do a little test to see how painful or not painful it is, making sure that everything was working. Very easy to use, very quick actually. You just wash your face, you go all over your face, whatever is left, you apply it. And the rest it just works by itself. You wake up the next morning and you're glowing. If you were eyeing one of these treatments, maybe in a clinic, I would say have a try at this at home before you go and spend a lot of money in a clinic, because I think this is really, really working. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's shorter video, but I think this is a product that really works. And if you're keen into taking care of your skin, because in my opinion, if you want to have a flawless makeup, you do need to take good care of your skin. This is a product that really, really works. And it's not just because I'm partnering with them. I think I've tested on myself. I have seen the results. And as much as I want to show you, I hope you can see from the videos that it's actually like your skin looks alive and plump. As usual, I will list down below all the link and the description to purchase this kit. They also have other products. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friend. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more video like these. Go see my channel. There's plenty of video on makeup, skincare, and hair care. A big thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.